Senator from Ireland, as David said, and I'm very happy to be here at this pivotal point in Zimbabwe's developing democracy. I've been involved in a few pre-election missions with NDI throughout the world, and it has been a privilege to be here and to meet so many forward-thinking and progressive Zimbabweans. The IRI-NDI delegation heard a clear and unambiguous message of hope for a new future from all the Zimbabweans that we have come in contact with. We received unanimous reports that the country's political climate has changed markedly since last November. It is the responsibility of all the election actors to take the steps necessary to build confidence with the people that these elections can usher in a new democratic dispensation. However, concerted efforts will be required to restore the public's faith in the country's institutions and set the country on a new trajectory. Therefore, the 2018 harmonised elections must break with the past and be widely perceived as inclusive, transparent and accountable. To achieve this objective, the reforms must do more than just adhere to the letter of the law, show more than just incremental improvements, and result in more than just peaceful elections. This standard is consistent with the SADC guidelines, which call for elections to be peaceful, but also free and fair